Hello and welcome you all. In today's session, we are going to study Python operators. In Python, operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Now, there are many different types of operators, but they can be grouped into the following categories, like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. They are different kinds of operators. So we will study all these operators one by one. Now, what is arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used to perform some mathematical calculations or mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are called arithmetic operation. That means which are helping us to perform some mathematical operations. And the number on which the arithmetic operators work, that is called operand. Means what? Means suppose I am going to add 88 plus 2. This is addition operator is the plus symbol, as shown by this first column. The operation that it is going to do is the addition, and on which two data values it is going to do that operators plus operator, that is 88 and 2. So 88 and 2, they will be called as operand, and 90 is the result. These are some of the terminologies that we will use quite often. Similarly, the subtraction operators. Subtraction is 43 minus 2 equal to 41. So 43 and 2, they are operand, and minus is the subtraction operators. Similarly, what is multiplication? 2 into 3 equal to 6. 2 and 3, they are operand. Similarly, division. Now, division is very important because you have to know in details what is division. Whenever you are dividing two integers in Python, and remember, if the result is having a remainder, then the result will be always a floating point number. Means 40 divided by 20 equal to 2. There is no decimal point. This is not a floating point number. Why? Because the result doesn't have any remainder. But if the result is having a remainder like 10 divided by 3, there is a remainder in this division. So the result will be 3.33, not simply 3. So whenever you are giving a single slash, it means integer division, but the result will be float if there is a remainder. Float division, whenever you are giving a double slash, it means it's a float division. Then what will be the result? It will give you the actual quotient. No decimal point values will be there. So 10 float division 3 will be equal to 3. Next is modulo. What is modulo? That is also very, very important. It returns the remainder of a division operation. That means whenever you are dividing left operand with the value of right operand, then the remainder will be coming as modulo. Whenever you are writing 5, this is the percentage sign, 5 percentage sign 2 equal to the remainder. Remainder over here it is 1. Now what about power? Raising one number to the power of another. So 4 double star means it's a power. So 4 square, that is equals to 16. So power is nothing but whenever you want to raise one number to the power of other, that means 4 to the power 2. 4 square, that will be equal to 16. Understand? So these are the different types of arithmetic operators. Next comes assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to the variables. Like a equal to 7. That is assignment operator. Means you are assigning the value of the right operand to the left operand. Means the value 7 will be assigned to the variable a. Now there are so many other kinds of assignments that we often use in Python, like addition assignment. Whenever I am writing a plus equal to 1, it means a equal to a plus 1. That means in short I am writing a plus equal to 1. That means a plus equal to 1 indicates a equal to a plus 1. Subtraction assignment, that can be also very important. A minus equal to 3. What does it mean? A equal to a minus 3. Multiplication assignment, a multiplication equal to 4. It means a equal to a into 4. And division assignment, a divide equal to 3. What does it mean? A equal to a by 3. So these are nothing but some shortcut notation that we are going to use in case of addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication and division assignment. Okay. Now next comes Python comparison operators. What is Python comparison operators? It compares two values and returns a Boolean result, true or false. That means it evaluates the comparison expression and returns the result, okay, as true or false. Like whenever I am writing equal to, double equal to, this means what? This means it is equal to. Example, suppose 23 double equal to 5 means what? Is 23 equal to 5? No. So it gives us false. Result will be false in this case. Remember, always it will give you Boolean result, either true or false. Not equal to, this is this sign, not equal to. So whenever you are writing 23 not equal to 5, this gives us true. Why? Because 23 is not equal to 5. Okay. Similarly, greater than symbol. 20 is greater than 55. No, the result is false. Then 20 is less than 55. Yes, so it gives us true. And greater than equal to, similarly it's there. 3 is greater than equal to 5. It gives us false. Why? Because 3 is not greater than 5 and 3 is also not equal to 5. So these are some of the comparison operators. Next comes Python logical operators. Logical operators are used to check whether an expression is true or false. Now there are three different types of logical operators: A and B, A or B, or not A. This is also called logical AND. Logical AND will give the result as true if both A and B are true. Otherwise, if any one of them is false, then logical AND will give you false result. Okay. A or B. This is also called logical OR. So if at least one of the operand is true, either A or B, okay, or both, then the result will be true. Not A. This is also called logical NOT. This will be true if the operand is false. Means if A is equals to true, then logical NOT will be giving us the result equal to false. Okay. And if the operand is true, then it will give you false. If the operand is false, it will give you true. Understand? Next comes very important operators which will not use generally in this course, but for the sake of completeness you must know what is Python bitwise operator. Bitwise operator, it acts on operands as if they are strings of binary digits. They operate bit by bit. Means what? Suppose I have got x equal to 10. So 10 will be represented by this binary number, or y equal to 4 represented by this binary number. Now it will do bitwise ANDing. So look at this thing. I am doing this bitwise ANDing of x and y. That means I will take the first 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is 0. Then 1 and 0 is 0. Then 0 and 1 is 0. Then 1 and 0 is 0. And all zeros will be 0. So x and y will be equal to 0. Similarly, bitwise OR and bitwise NOT. Remember, it is doing bitwise operation.